AC to DC converter to a 24W car cigarette lighter socket 110 to 240V to 12V AC-DC power adapter. AC-DC power socket adapter transformed 110 to 240 VAC from wall plug into 12 VDC. Works perfectly with any vehicle electronic products with rated power less than 24W. The maximum current is 3.88. With ABS shell manufacturing, includes safeguard features against incorrect voltage, short circuit, internal overheating, safe to use. 1.2 extended total cord convenience to use, just insert it into any power outlet at home. You can use any electronic equipment that has cigarette lighter plug. Input voltage 100 to 240V. Output voltage 12V. Output current 2A. Frequency 5060 Hz. Wattage 24W. For car charger or car lighter plug-in, bring your car appliances back home. Work perfectly with any car-powered devices under 24W, like car diffuser, RV refrigerator, car TV, vacuum cleaner, power amplifier, portable cooler warmers, air compressor, electric seat warmer, vacuum cleaner and other DC appliances. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.